Some of the best and strangest flying machines are homemade, so let's uncover some of the most innovative and relatively unknown homemade drones. At number 7, the FPV drone. My earlier smallest drone video was admittedly short-sighted, and it only looked at mainstream products. But shortly thereafter, one of my subscribers notified me about his really small 5.8 GHz FPV drone. It's indeed one of the smallest, weighing at only 16 grams. It's also 3D printed and it measures in at 3.8 centimeters squared. Now obviously we will probably see smaller drones with progression in battery and camera technology, but nevertheless this is really impressive and it shows how small you can get with FPV. At number 6, the Dragonfly. This is probably one of the most innovative projects out there, and it's definitely one of the most unique RC vehicles that you will ever see. It only weighs 162 grams and it flies a little bit differently, and it utilizes 4 cycloidal propellers. It has a high degree of maneuverability, and it might even be possible to be transformed into a micro aerial vehicle. The creator of the video has unfortunately only had a few hundred views, so make sure to check out my description and click on the link to his channel. At number 5, the Aerial Biped. Both hilarious and bizarre, this walking biped is obviously a modified Phantom drone. It basically takes the velocity of the quadcopter as input, and the legs match its motion. The control policy is optimized by using a physics engine, but the legs themselves do not support the entire drone. Let's just hope they avoid building a hybrid walking machine, which tramples over everything. At number 4, the F-35B model. The actual F-35 may not be the best aircraft ever built, but this scaled version is probably one of the best vehicles ever made. It incorporates a swivel 3D printed nozzle which gives the ability to vertically take off and land. The ducting is driven by 3 Giger motors, and it's pretty neat to actually see this work as intended. All it needs is some missiles and miniature bombs, and it can probably be better than the real deal. BGM Aviation has also built a pretty impressive F-35 model, so make sure to check out those links in my description. Moving on to number 3, we look at the Monofan Superbike. Yet another undiscovered talented builder has made a vectored miniature flying bike. It utilizes thrust vectoring, so without it, it probably wouldn't fly. It's relatively pretty stable, and it's a well-executed proof of concept. We just need a bigger bike so that we can have flying stormtroopers chasing people down streets. But on a serious note, one can actually learn from this build, and the creator definitely has some skill, and has built other innovative RC vehicles. At number 2, the Concepto Millennia. With the emergence of manned drones, countless of entrepreneurs and hobbyists have showcased their own version of the somewhat deadly flying machine. The Millennia is one of the better homemade variants out there, with a total build time of over 6 years. The inventor admitted that it took many trials and errors, and it even caught fire at one point in time. But like any complex project, innovation along with persistence brought this sports drone to life. But nevertheless, it looks actually pretty stable, which is pretty impressive for a homemade flying machine. At the great number 1, the Icarus. This is probably one of the most unique and engineered projects out there. It is a 3D printed thrust vector ducted fan. There are 4 independent controllable vanes which can pitch, roll, and even rotate the craft. This allows the craft to fly pretty much anywhere you want. The main fan spins very fast at over 38,000 RPM, and it took a lot of tweaking to actually make this thing work. Now if you actually want to make one of these things, the project build and firmware is on its website. But for me, I would probably end up building an uncontrollable missile. So once again, thanks for watching this oversimplified video. Make sure to like it if you enjoyed it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel.